guys, here's a nice clean defined eye makeup for everyday wear. Using the Clinique Lid Smoothie, which is a beautiful cream eyeshadow in Sassafras, my favourite colour, I just apply it with my finger to the entire lower eyelid. Instant Lift for Brows is a dual-ended tool which I absolutely love. It's got a brow crayon on one end to give soft definition to the eyebrows, and it's got an illuminate crayon on the other end to create really fresh, open, bright eyes. I love using the new Clinique High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara. Now this means that in just one coat you get maximum volume on your lashes. So I apply it to both top and bottom lashes for instant volume. And now you have a really easy to achieve, fresh, bright, natural day wear look.